Okay, very good morning, children. Today we will be starting with the first chapter of part 2, that is complex numbers. Before going deep into complex numbers, let us revise. We started learning natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, and rationals, irrationals, and in 10th standard we moved up to real numbers, correct? So this year in 11th standard we'll learn one more number system, that is called as complex numbers. So this year we'll be dealing with another type of number, that is called as complex numbers. Okay, so if you remember, last year we used to solve quadratic equations, and we used to find the value of b square minus 4ac, correct? And if it was coming negative, we used to be very happy because आगे सम सॉल्व करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती थी, and we used to write roots are imaginary or roots are not real. Why we used to write that? Because we knew that in 10th standard b square minus 4ac का square root will be square root of minus 4, and we were not knowing how to find square root of a negative number. So this year we have grown up now, so we need to start solving these type of problems also. Okay, so see, I can write the square root of minus 4 as square root of minus 1 into 4. Minus 4 can be written as minus 1 into 4. By property, this can be written as square root of minus 1 square root of 4. क्या लिख सकते हैं? Square root minus 1 into square root 4. Now we know that what is the square root of this 4? What is square root of 4? 2. So I'll write 2 over here. Problem is with square root of minus 1. Nobody knows what is the value of square root of minus 1. So what I will do, I will name it as another number whose value is unknown. So I write it as I. So what I am doing, I am writing I, nothing but square root of minus 1. I am writing I as square root of minus 1, where this I was named as imaginary number because I don't know its value, and those who are going for competitive class, they will learn this as iota. They will learn this I as iota. Okay, clear? Since I have written I as square root of minus 1, if I square this, I will get I square as minus 1. Very important formula, that we got the value of I square. We don't know what is I, but we know what is I square. कितना है I square? Minus 1. Understood? And because of this I could say that square root of minus 4 is nothing but 2i. Square root of minus 4 कितना होता है? 2i. ठीक है? Okay. Now, if I write a number in this format, a plus ib, क्या किया मैंने? I have written one real number and one imaginary number. This a is real, okay, and even this b is real, but b को मैंने क्या लगा दिया है? I लगा दिया है. This entire ib becomes imaginary. Actually, I is imaginary and b is real. So I am writing a combination of real plus imaginary. Real plus imaginary. Such numbers are denoted by z, and they are called as complex numbers, where a and b belongs to real. If I write any number in the form of a plus ib, such that a and b can be any real number, then such numbers are called as complex numbers. Example, I can write 2 plus 3i. So देखो, 2 and 3 are real, so 2 plus 3i becomes complex numbers. Then minus 4 minus 3i, minus 3 plus 7i, minus 2 root 2 minus 7 root 2i. So all these are examples of complex numbers, and all complex numbers are denoted by z. Any complex number का मतलब होता है z, where a is the real part, b is the imaginary part. So in the z part, a plus ib, I call a as the real part denoted by re of z. I write a as real part of z, that is a. Then I call this part as imaginary. The b part is called as imaginary, so I write it as Im of z is b. Imaginary part of z is b. Understood? Okay. Since we have learned a new type of number system, it is our moral responsibility to learn the operations. So now next part is we will learn the operations on complex numbers. Okay, we'll learn the operations on complex numbers. So what I'll do, I'll take a simple example. I'll take z1 as one complex number, a plus ib, and I'll take z2 another complex number, c plus id. z1 as a plus ib, z2 as c plus id. The first operation is addition. So let us see what happens when we add two complex numbers. What happens when we add two complex numbers? Simple है, z1 की जगह पे z1 की वैल्यू लिखेंगे, z2 की जगह पे z2 की वैल्यू लिखेंगे. After that I'll combine the like terms. Like terms कौन से हैं? A and C are like terms, so I'll combine them because they can be added. ये IB और ID imaginary numbers है, so I can take I common from here. What is left? B plus D. What is left? B plus D. Correct? Now see, if I add A and C, I'll get a new number. If I add B and D, I'll get new number. So again, after adding, I am getting a complex number. मतलब addition of two complex numbers is a complex number. Imagine करो A plus C हो गया E और B plus D हो गया F. तो देखो, addition of two complex numbers is another complex number. Understood? जैसे apple plus apple will give me two apples. Similarly, complex plus complex will give me complex. Is it clear? Yeah. Now same I can go for subtraction. So if I do subtraction, so it is again A plus IB. Many times we forget to put a bracket after minus sign and we land up with errors. ठीक है? So it becomes A plus IB minus C minus ID. Correct? So again I can combine the like terms. A minus C. Again I can take I common, B minus D. So again ये हो गया E, ये हो गया F. So again subtraction of two complex numbers is also a complex number. Subtraction of two complex number is a complex number. Let us learn the next part, multiplication. Next part क्या है? Multiplication. How to multiply two complex number. पहला क्या है? A plus IB. What is next? C plus ID. Now multiply normally the way we used to multiply in 10th standard. A with the entire bracket, that is A times C plus ID, IB C plus ID. Correct? तो क्या हो जाएगा? AC plus ADI plus BCI. अब देखो I into I क्या हो जाएगा? I square. क्या हो जाएगा? I square BD. Now look here. I know what is I square. What is I square? Minus 1. So here I can write I square as minus 1. क्या लिखेंगे I square को? Minus 1. जो हो जाएगा ए सी ए डी आई प्लस पी सी आई, ये आई स्क्वायर हो गया -1, सो माइनस बी डी। करेक्ट। नाउ ये रियल पार्ट है, ये रियल पार्ट है, साथ में लिखेंगे। ये इमेजिनरी है, ये भी इमेजिनरी है, साथ में लिखेंगे। सो अगेन मल्टीप्लीकेशन ऑफ टू कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर्स इज अनदर complex number. Understood? Yes? Clear? Okay, we'll move on to now for division. Clear everybody? So I'll erase the board. Okay, let's move on to now the last operation, last basic operation I will say, that is division. Okay, so see, a plus ib C plus I D. Now before division, we should know what do we mean by conjugate of a number. अगर a plus b is a number, if I have a plus b as a number, its conjugate मतलब its rationalizing term. So if you remember 10th standard में we have done huge amount of sums on rationalization. क्या करते थे? If there is a plus b in denominator, we used to multiply by a minus b. Exactly what we are doing. Between two terms, the middle sign has been changed. I have not changed the sign of a, neither of b. I have just changed the sign between the two variables. a और b के बीच में जो साइन है उसको मैंने चेंज किया है। सिमिलरली कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर का भी कॉन्जुगेट होता है। अगर कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर है a प्लस आई बी, इट्स कॉन्जुगेट विल बी a माइनस आई बी। a प्लस आई बी, आंसर आएगा a माइनस आई बी। अगर माइनस a प्लस आई बी है तो इट विल बी माइनस a माइनस आई बी। वी ओनली चेंज दिस साइन। ओके, सिर्फ ये साइन चेंज होती है, प्लस हो गया माइनस। ठीक है, if it is minus a minus ib, I will write minus a plus ib. I'll write minus a plus ib. Okay. Henceforth, whenever you are solving any type of sum, let be JEE, CET, any competitive exam, if you find a complex number in denominator, the first task is to rationalize the denominator or multiply the complex number by its conjugate. So यहाँ पर क्या आएगा? I'll multiply by the conjugate of denominator. So I'll write c minus id, c minus id. ठीक है, सिंस आपने रैशनलाइज किया है तो मेरा डिनोमिनेटर होगा a plus b, a minus b. That is a square minus b square, a square minus b square। और न्यूमरेटर में नॉर्मल मल्टीप्लिकेशन होगा कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर का, जैसा नॉर्मली मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं। तो देखो a पूरे ब्रैकेट से मल्टीप्लाई होगा, ib पूरे ब्रैकेट से। तो क्या मिलेगा? ac minus aid, AC minus ADI, then IBC पॉजिटिव आएगा, then IB into minus ID, so minus I square BD, क्या आएगा? minus I square BD, divide by C square. Now you know what is I square? What is I square? -1. So minus of -1 d square. ठीक है, अब देखो अगेन दिस आई स्क्वायर कैन बी रिटन एज -1 एंड फ्रॉम दीज टू आई कैन टेक आई कॉमन। लेट्स डू दैट। सो ए सी आई स्क्वायर कितना हुआ? -1। पहले यहां से आई कॉमन निकालते हैं तो आई गेट बी सी माइनस ए डी। ये आई स्क्वायर -1 हुआ, -1 इंटू माइनस प्लस बी डी। डिनोमिनेटर क्या हो जाएगा, सी स्क्वायर प्लस डी स्क्वायर, करेक्ट। अब देखो ये भी रियल पार्ट है, ये भी रियल पार्ट है, दैट इज ए सी प्लस बी डी इज माई रियल पार्ट, प्लस I टाइम्स BC minus AD. अब denominator I'll give to both of them, C square plus D square, C square plus D square. तो देखो ये पूरा रियल पार्ट हो गया, ये पूरा इमेजिनरी पार्ट हो गया। तो दो कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर को इफ आई डिवाइड अगेन आई गेट अनदर कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर। दो कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर को अगर मैं डिवाइड करता हूं I will get another complex number. Understood? Okay. So now let's start with the first exercise from your textbook. Okay, I'll start. The first one is simplify the following. We need to simplify the following. First one is square root of minus 16 plus 3 times square root of minus 25 square root of minus 36 minus 625. The very first step we did was we know how to find square roots of negative numbers now. जब जब स्क्वायर रूट में माइनस आएगा उसको किससे रिप्लेस करना है, i से। किससे रिप्लेस करना है, i। the square root of minus 4, what was square root of minus 4? 4 का स्क्वायर रूट 2 and for this minus sign I was writing I, correct? So वैसे यहाँ पर 16 का स्क्वायर रूट 4 for minus sign I will write I plus 3 times 25 का स्क्वायर रूट 5 और माइनस के लिए I will write I, then 36 के लिए I will write 6 and माइनस के लिए I will write I minus 625 के लिए मैं लिखूंगा 25 और माइनस के I'll write I. Now it's very easy. 4i plus 15i plus 6i minus 25i. 15 plus 4 19. 25 minus 25 that is 0. क्या आंसर आया, 0 आया समझ में। Second one, it is 4 times square root of minus 4, 5 times square root of minus 9, minus 3 times minus 16. तो 4 as it is रहेगा, 4 का स्क्वायर रूट 2, माइनस का I, 9 का 3, I का सॉरी माइनस का I, और ये हो जाएगा 4i, करेक्ट। So 8 plus 15 23, 23 minus 12 11. Alright, so answer is 11i. क्या आंसर आया, 11i. Understood? Clear with this? Okay. Next question number 2 है write the conjugates. क्या लिखना है, conjugates. So I'll just write the answer, just check. Okay, there are 6 I will do. फर्स्ट वन क्वेश्चन है 3 प्लस i, 3 प्लस i का कॉन्जुगेट क्या आएगा, 3 माइनस i, मिडिल सम का साइन चेंज होगा, यहाँ सिर्फ इमेजिनरी नंबर का साइन चेंज होगा, करेक्ट। सेकेंड, देयर इज अ प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक, सो आई एम लीविंग दैट क्वेश्चन एज इट इज। थर्ड, माइनस रूट 5 माइनस रूट 7i, तो आंसर क्या आएगा, minus root 5 plus root 7i, only this sign will change, minus root 5 plus root 7i. Fourth one, it is minus of, fourth question है minus of square root of minus 5, पहले उसको सिंप्लीफाई करना पड़ेगा, करेक्ट। तो ये क्या आएगा, माइनस, ये 5 का स्क्वायर रूट 5 ही रहेगा, माइनस के लिए क्या आएगा, i minus square root of 5i. Since there is nothing in front of this, so I can write 0. Can I write 0? अब 0 minus root 5i का conjugate क्या आएगा, 0 plus root 5i, क्या आएगा, 0 plus root 5i. So either write the answer as root 5i or you write the answer as I को अंदर लेके जाओगे स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ -5. आया समझ में? क्लियर? सिक्स्थ वन. फिफ्थ वन इट इज 5i, तो आंसर क्या आएगा? -5i, क्योंकि इमेजिनरी पार्ट का साइन चेंज करना है. सिक्स्थ इट्स वेरी इजी, रूट 5 प्लस आई आएगा. क्वेश्चन में माइनस है, इसमें आंसर इज प्लस. अंडरस्टूड? यस? ओके. Okay, before starting next question, you should know that when can we say that complex numbers are equal? When can I say that two complex numbers z1 and z2 are equal? Two complex numbers are said to be equal if their real parts and imaginary parts are equal. I can say that these two complex numbers are equal provided A should be equal to C and B should be equal to D. Only then I can say that complex numbers are equal. Understood? Okay. So question number 3, it is find A and B if A plus 2B plus 4AI plus 2AI is equal to 4 plus 6I. तो देखो ये भी कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर है, ये भी कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर है. क्या साइन है बीच में? इक्वल. सो टू कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर्स आर इक्वल इफ देयर रियल पार्ट्स आर इक्वल एंड इमेजिनरी पार्ट्स आर इक्वल. हाउ विल यू राइट? a plus 2b, ये रियल पार्ट है बिकॉज देयर इज नो i ओवर हियर, प्लस 2ai. Because of equal to sign, I can say that a plus 2b जो real है should be equal to real. So by equality, I can say that a plus 2b कितना आना चाहिए? 4. And ये imaginary है, ये भी imaginary है. So this imaginary should be equal to this. That is 2a should be equal to 6. Therefore, what is the value of a? 3. What is the value of a? 3. Now once I get a, I can find b. That is 3 plus 2b is equal to 4. Therefore 2b कितना आएगा? 1. So b becomes half. So when a is 3 and b is half, I can say these two numbers are equal. Correct? Okay. Second वाला आप करोगे. I will do third one now from that. It is a plus b 2 plus I b plus 1 plus 10 plus 2a I. Now देखो ये रियल पार्ट है, करेक्ट, और ये इमेजिनरी है. तो here also I need to break the same part which is there on right side. नॉर्मल मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे a पूरे ब्रैकेट के साथ. सो 2a प्लस ai प्लस 2b प्लस bi, ये b प्लस 1 रियल, 10 प्लस 2a इमेजिनरी. क्लियर? तो देखो ये और ये रियल है यहाँ पर. सो रियल should be equal to real. Very famous property everywhere. If there is equal to sign, so real plus real should be real. That is 2a plus 2b क्या आना चाहिए? b plus 1. Then imaginary plus imaginary, imaginary. Correct? So what I'll write? a plus b is equal to 10 plus 2a. Correct? a plus b is equal to 10 plus 2a. Now simply आपको solve. So आएगा 2a plus b is equal to 1. This will become minus a plus b is equal to 10. I can solve them simultaneously. So it will be 2a plus b equal to 1 minus a plus b equal to 10. I need to subtract, correct? Since I am subtracting, the sign will change, the cut. So I'll get 3a is equal to minus 9, correct? That is a is equal to minus 3. A is equal to minus 3. Therefore, minus 3 plus b is equal to 10. So I get b is equal to 13. What is the value of b I am getting? 13. Understood? Clear? Yes? Okay. Sorry. Let's move on to fifth question in this. Okay. Fifth part है 1 upon a plus ib is equal to 3 minus 2i. Denominator में complex number है. Either rationalize it or else let us do some smart work. I'll keep 1 as it is. I'll take this in numerator. क्या हो जाएगा? a plus ib 3 minus 2i. Correct? यहाँ पर imaginary number नहीं है. So I'll write this as 1 plus 0i. किसको भी 0 लगा सकते हैं. 0 is a very good number. कहीं भी चिपका दो. ये मल्टीप्लाई करो. 3a minus 2ai plus 3bi 2b I square minus 2b I square. ठीक है. So हो जाएगा 1 plus 0i 3a. I know I square is minus 1. So minus 1 into minus plus. तो क्या हो जाएगा 2b. यह रियल पार्ट हो गया. इन दोनों में कॉमन क्या है? I कॉमन है. So what is left? Minus 2a plus 3b. Complex number on right side, complex number on left side. So real is equal to real, imaginary is equal to imaginary. क्या मिलेगा? 3a plus 2b is equal to 1 minus 2a plus 3b is equal to 0. Now it is your task to do simultaneous solution to get the value of a and b. ठीक है. Same question है question number 24. I'll do two sums so you'll understand. So question number 3 and question number 24 both are same. Okay, clear? 24 I'll do sum number 3rd. Okay, it is x plus iy 2 plus 3i plus 2 plus I 2 plus 3i. I think this should be minus, printing mistake है, is equal to 9 by 13 1 plus I. ठीक है. I want to find x and y. Again, instead of rationalization, I will prefer cross multiplication. So what will I get? X plus iy into 2 minus 3i plus 2 plus I 2 plus 3i. Now denominator conjugates एक दूसरे के. a plus b a minus b क्या आएगा? a square minus b square. Correct? So equal to 9 by 13 1 plus I. ठीक है. नॉर्मल मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 2x plus 2iy minus 3xi minus 3yi square. Now multiply 4 plus 6i plus 2i plus 3i square upon, ये हो जाएगा 4. I square होता है -1, -1 into minus plus 9. ध्यान से देखो, it is 3i का square, that is 9i square. So 9 times -1, -9 और ये माइनस प्लस इक्वल टू 9 by 13 1 plus I. So 13 कैंसल, अब I'll arrange the terms. So let's arrange. पहले आई स्क्वायर को -1 लिख देते हैं, इधर भी आई स्क्वायर को -1 लिख देते हैं, तो इरेज हियर ओनली -1. इधर भी I'll write -1. करेक्ट. सो रियल पार्ट, रियल पार्ट, रियल पार्ट, रियल पार्ट क्या है ये? 2x प्लस 3y प्लस 4 माइनस 3 मेरा रियल पार्ट है, प्लस इमेजिनरी 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 क्या आएगा? 2y माइनस 3x प्लस 8 एंड i कॉमन. करेक्ट. इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 9 प्लस 9i, ये रियल, ये इमेजिनरी. सो अगेन रियल इज इक्वल टू रियल, इमेजिनरी इज इक्वल टू इमेजिनरी. सो 2x प्लस 3y प्लस 1 इक्वल टू कितना आएगा? 9. दैट इज 2x plus 3y is equal to 8 is my first equation. Correct. दूसरा क्या आएगा? minus 3x plus 2y plus 8 is equal to 9. That is minus 3x plus 2y is equal to 1. इन दोनों को simultaneously solve करो, you get the values of x and y. See that you practice question number 1, 2, 3 and 24. Okay. Thank you.